Hey there, history buffs! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into fascinating tales from the past. Today we're setting our sights on the scientific revolution, a pivotal era that forever changed how we perceive the cosmos. We'll be focusing on three game changers of this period: Galileo Galilei, Johannes Kepler, and Nicolaus Copernicus. These trailblazers defied conventional wisdom, looked to the stars, and transformed our understanding of the universe. The scientific revolution was a seismic shift that challenged established beliefs, replacing them with empirical evidence and logical reasoning. Thanks to the audacious inquiries of Galileo, Kepler, and Copernicus, we entered a new age of scientific discovery. Their contributions set the stage for the modern scientific method and continue to inspire scientists today. So, buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the intriguing saga of the scientific revolution. A time when humanity dared to question, discover, and revolutionize. Our story begins with Nicolaus Copernicus, a Polish astronomer who revolutionized astronomy with his heliocentric model. Born in the late 15th century, Copernicus was a man of many talents: a lawyer, a physician, a diplomat, an economist, but most notably, an astronomer. In his time, the prevailing belief was the geocentric model, which placed Earth at the center of the universe with all celestial bodies revolving around it. This model was largely influenced by the teachings of the ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle, and had been accepted for over 1,000 years. But Copernicus, with his insatiable curiosity and keen observation, began to question this widely accepted view. He noticed irregularities in the movement of the planets that couldn't be explained by the geocentric model. After years of careful observation and calculation, he came up with a revolutionary idea: the heliocentric model. In this model, Copernicus proposed that the Sun, not the Earth, was at the center of the universe, with Earth and the other planets revolving around it. A simple idea by today's standards, but back then, it was nothing short of revolutionary. Copernicus's heliocentric model was first proposed in his seminal work on the revolutions of the heavenly spheres, published just before his death in 1543. It was a radical departure from the established belief and was met with skepticism and resistance. However, it sparked a shift in thinking, leading to a wave of scientific advancements and discoveries. Copernicus's heliocentric model laid the groundwork for future scientists like Johannes Kepler and Galileo Galilei to further explore and understand our universe. It represented a significant shift from a human-centered universe to a sun-centered one, marking the dawn of the scientific revolution. This groundbreaking idea sparked a paradigm shift, challenging the long-standing geocentric view held by many at the time. The work of Nicolaus Copernicus forever changed our understanding of the universe, and his legacy continues to inspire scientists and astronomers to this day. Enter Johannes Kepler, a German mathematician and astronomer who built upon Copernicus's work. Born in the late 16th century, Kepler was a key figure in the scientific revolution. Despite facing numerous challenges, including the loss of his eyesight, Kepler's tenacity and love for the cosmos never wavered. Kepler is best known for his three laws of planetary motion. His first law, often referred to as the law of ellipses, stated that planets move around the Sun in elliptical orbits, with the Sun at one of the two foci. This was a groundbreaking revelation that dismantled the centuries-old belief in perfect circular planetary orbits. Kepler's second law, or the law of equal areas, proposed that a line connecting a planet to the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal times. This means that planets move faster when they are closer to the Sun and slower when they are farther away. This ingenious law allowed astronomers to predict planetary positions with remarkable accuracy. Finally, Kepler's third law, known as the law of harmonies, established a relationship between the time it takes for a planet to orbit the Sun and its average distance from the Sun. This law provided a universal principle that applied to all planets in the solar system. Kepler's laws revolutionized astronomy. They offered a precise and reliable way to predict planetary motion, something that had eluded scientists for centuries. Kepler's work was a testament to the power of observation and mathematical reasoning, and marked a significant departure from the philosophical conjectures that dominated the era. His discoveries paved the way for Isaac Newton's later work on gravity. Newton was able to build upon Kepler's laws to formulate his law of universal gravitation, a fundamental principle that continues to guide our understanding of the universe. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember the groundbreaking work of Johannes Kepler. His laws of planetary motion were a monumental step in the scientific journey to unravel the mysteries of our cosmos. Now, let's fast forward to the brilliant mind of Galileo Galilei, an Italian physicist, mathematician, and astronomer. Born in Pisa, Italy, in the late 16th century, Galileo was a man of many talents. He was instrumental in the development of the scientific method, a systematic approach to inquiry that remains the backbone of scientific investigation today. Galileo is perhaps best known for his improvements to the telescope, which he used to make a series of transformative discoveries. He didn't invent the telescope, that credit goes to the Dutch, but Galileo was the first to use it for astronomical observation. His version magnified objects up to 20 times, a significant improvement over the threefold magnification of the original Dutch version. Using his enhanced telescope, Galileo gazed up at the heavens and made a string of significant discoveries. He observed mountains and craters on the moon, contradicting the idea that it was a smooth, perfect sphere. He discovered 4 moons orbiting Jupiter, providing the first evidence of celestial bodies orbiting something other than Earth. He also noted the phases of Venus and the unusual shape of Saturn, which would later be understood as the planet's iconic rings. Each of these observations supported the heliocentric model proposed by Copernicus. If Earth were indeed the center of the universe, as the geocentric model suggested, these phenomena could not occur. Galileo's discoveries, therefore, dealt a severe blow to the established geocentric view. But Galileo's groundbreaking work did not come without consequences. His findings contradicted the teachings of the powerful Catholic Church, which held fast to the geocentric model. Galileo's public support of the heliocentric view led to his conviction for heresy in 1633. He spent the remaining years of his life under house arrest, but even this could not prevent him from continuing his scientific work. Despite the backlash, Galileo remained steadfast in his quest for truth. His courage and determination in the face of adversity have made him an enduring symbol of scientific integrity. His discoveries not only supported Copernican heliocentrism, but also paved the way for future explorations of our solar system. Galileo's work forever changed our understanding of the universe. His use of the telescope for astronomical observation opened up new vistas of knowledge, transforming astronomy from a purely theoretical field into an observational and experimental one. His findings challenged the prevailing dogma and further cemented the heliocentric theory. So as we look up at the night sky, we do so with a deeper understanding thanks to the groundbreaking work of Galileo Galilei. His legacy, like those of Copernicus and Kepler, endures in the annals of scientific history, a testament to the power of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of truth. The impact of these 3 groundbreaking thinkers cannot be overstated. Their passion for understanding the cosmos not only challenged the status quo, but also ushered in a new era of scientific thought. Their collective efforts have forever altered the landscape of astronomy, physics, and indeed every field of scientific inquiry. Nicholas Copernicus, with his heliocentric model, dared to propose a universe where the Earth was not at the center. This radical idea sparked a revolution that would echo through the centuries. It was a revolution that dared to question, dared to explore, and dared to understand the world in a whole new light. Johannes Kepler, through his meticulous observations and calculations, gave us the laws of planetary motion. These laws not only described how planets orbited the sun, but also laid the groundwork for our understanding of gravity and the forces that govern the universe. And Galileo Galilei, with his improved telescope and unwavering determination, provided the evidence needed to support the heliocentric model. He showed us a moon with mountains, moons orbiting Jupiter, and the rings of Saturn. He opened our eyes to a universe far more vast and complex than we had ever imagined. Their work was not without its challenges. They faced skepticism, ridicule, and even persecution. But they remained steadfast in their pursuit of knowledge. Their courage, their curiosity, and their unwavering dedication have shaped the way we see the universe. The legacy of Copernicus, Kepler, and Galileo extends far beyond their lifetimes. Their discoveries have paved the way for countless other breakthroughs. From Newton's laws of motion to Einstein's theory of relativity, from exploring the depths of our oceans to reaching for the stars, their influence can be felt in every corner of scientific exploration. Their courage, curiosity, and unwavering dedication have shaped the way we see the universe, and their legacy lives on in every scientific discovery made since. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through the scientific revolution. We've navigated the cosmos alongside Nicholas Copernicus, Johannes Kepler, and Galileo Galilei, three brilliant minds who dared to challenge the status quo and forever changed our understanding of the universe. From Copernicus's revolutionary heliocentric model to Kepler's laws of planetary motion and Galileo's groundbreaking observations, their contributions have shaped the way we see the universe today. Each of these pioneers faced obstacles, yet their unwavering dedication to the pursuit of truth laid the foundation for modern scientific inquiry. So, the next time you find yourself gazing up at the night sky, remember the courage, curiosity, and commitment of these pioneering figures. Their legacy continues to inspire us, reminding us of the power of scientific exploration. And with that, we invite you to continue this journey of discovery with us. Stay curious, stay inspired, and we'll see you next time.